Detail King's Jade Ceramic Coating Certification course is perfect for any detailer who is looking to add ceramic coating services to their product offering. At this one-day course, students will learn how to install ceramic coatings and also how to sell these coating services with confidence. The class begins with education about the science behind the coatings, the features and benefits, selling the services, and quoting the jobs. Students then go through a full exterior paint correction on a vehicle to prepare it for ceramic application. Once the vehicle is done being prepped, students learn how to apply the ceramic coating products to the paint, glass, trim, wheels, and even interior components like leather, vinyl, and fabric. Detail King has been offering professional training seminars for over 23 years, and we've helped thousands of professionals take their businesses to the next level. Our team has decades of detailing experience and are here to assist you through every step of the process. Hear what David had to say while he was here at our most recent Jade certification course.
I loved it. Great guys, a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience. Detail King is something that's always come to mind as far as the leader in training and stuff. Awesome people, very friendly, answered every question. Yeah, just all around, man, amazing.